Sorry.
Morning.
Hey, morning.
Do you have a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Over this way, sir.
Where's yours, guys? Brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, London.
Thinks the two cities can learn from each other. Make new friends, if you like. Today, he announced £750,000 will be spent on new air monitoring stations in London.
We can have the air quality monitors outside schools. So
Tooting to London Bridge, Oyster card topped up, and the first day at the office for the new mayor. His priorities are now, he said, London's.
I therefore declare Sadiq Khan to be elected as the new Mayor of London.
A big victory at the end of a bitter campaign. Sadiq Khan of the Labour Party, the son of a Pakistani bus driver, is the new Mayor of London. Mr. Khan was accused of being too close to Muslim extremists. The people of London decided otherwise.
thank you, London.